Over the years, Christmas has become more and more grand, commercialized, colorful yet lacking in real sparkle, expensive yet devoid of the real value, festive yet empty of joy. We're spending more, but only for ourselves. We're giving, but only limited to those we know. This Christmas, we invite you to contemplate on the original symbol and meaning of Christmas, the Belen, but in its different modern contexts as they exist in our midst, in the different circumstances of poverty. Christmas has always been associated with togetherness, with family gathering, with shared celebration. But this may not be true to some of our brothers and sisters, not only on Christmas, but maybe all year round. They suffer the poverty of presence, either by force of financial need, or of economic discrimination, or because of broken promises and broken relationships, of wrong moves and choices, of accidents and other circumstances beyond control. May our yearly celebration of Christmas, that peaceful scene in Bethlehem, compel us to take a look and reach out to the balance of our times.